In this video, we'll show you how you can set the time on your Garmin Forerunner 55. Every time you use your Garmin device for an activity, it will sync up time when it acquires a signal from the GPS. That's because GPS satellites, part of the signal, it sends the date and time with it. So when you establish connection with your satellites, the time and date is automatically synced up, but you can also set this up manually if you have GPS turned off for whatever reason. So I'm going to show you the two ways of doing this. So basically, let's press and hold the up button until we get down to the gears, and we're going to get down to let's see here. Let's get down to system and press start, and we're going to get down to time. Press start. Here we can specify the time format, by the way, if you are a 24 or 12-hour clock type of person. Here we can set the time setting. So here it's set to auto, which means that it will sync with the GPS every time you start an activity, or you can do a manual set. Here we can choose sync with GPS. And then basically, if you haven't used your watch for a long period of time, or you've traveled extensively and you're way in a different time zone, you want to get, you want to sync up the time with the satellites, you can do it that way. Here I'm inside. This will take a few minutes to get an acquisition, but you can give this 30 seconds or 2 minutes, depending on last time you done an activity to sync up the time. I'm going to hit back to back out of this, but let's say that you want to manually enter the time. We're going to go back to set time. Instead of auto, we're going to choose manual. And then here, we're going to go down to time. And here we can manually set the time. So if we fall back or daylight savings time, we can just simply go and adjust the time if we wanted to. Like that. And press start, press start, press start. Right? And there you go. Let me do that again. Press start, start, start. One more time. Here we go. Fourth time the charm. And there you go. That's it. That's basically how you set it up. But I would definitely recommend doing the auto mode so that it will sync up with the GPS. All right, there you go, folks. This is how you basically can play with the time on your Garmin Forerunner 55.